Hey guys, welcome back. I have pulled the aquarium up here and have set the stand and the top off to the side. Earlier I removed the mesh screen. I just took an X-Acto knife, or not X-Acto knife, a box cutter, and cut around on the inside of the cover where the screen was being held in, because as you can see, some spots got torn here, and it's a little dirty. It's kind of old, so I figured since I'm redoing everything else, I might as well redo the screening, the mesh screening that goes on the inside, that gets fastened to the inside of this cover. So anyway, that will be probably the last thing that I do in this process. But I've set the lid and the stand off to the side over here, and I have mixed up, and this is a perfectly safe solution. I've mixed up a half, actually, if you just want a 16-ounce bottle, I've mixed up an ounce of, which is about an eighth of a cup of vinegar, into 16 ounces of water into this spray bottle, and we're going to use that on the inside to help clean up this aquarium, because once it airs out and everything, it will be completely safe for any new fish that get put in here. So as you can see, there's some old adhesive from, I don't know if it was a thermostat or something like that, probably a heater that had been stuck on the inside of the glass here. So I'm going to use my glass scraper to get that off, so that we have a completely clean inside. And I've already sprayed down and scrubbed one side here, this side as well. This side, you can see there's a bit of residue, actually, both on the outside and the inside. So I am going to go ahead and clean the rest, and on the bottom there you can see there's some hard water stains and whatnot. So I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning this unit with my vinegar and water solution here, and just spray it down. If you've had a tank that has had any like algae, dried algae and things like that on it, this will work great as well. Using a little green scrubby will help get that off, or just a rag. And if there's still any residue left behind, you can use a scraper, a glass scraper, will help get all of that off. So hit the subscribe button. We're going to go ahead and finish getting this cleaned up and ready for the next step, which will be resealing. As you can see, the seals in here, they're all kind of old and they need to be redone, these silicone seal. So we're going to go ahead and get all of that prepped and ready. The aquarium safe, the silicone should be here tomorrow. I've gone ahead and ordered it, and so it should be here tomorrow. If not, we will work on something else. So until next time, hit the subscribe button to follow this process, and we'll show you what we're doing next in the next video. Until then, have a great day.